Good morning! Good morning, guys. Kanina ba ako gising? Nagising ako kasi sobrang kata ng ilong ko at sobrang lamig. I had a good sleep naman, although it's too early pa. It's currently 7:08. So, yeah, medyo maaga. Kasi usually tulog ko to. But yeah, ayun na si Tishay. So, ayun. I'm just chilling here, having some coffee. Hi, guys. Kakabangon ko lang ulit. It's already 11:01. Paborito ko sa 7-Eleven. Yung tuna omelette. So I'm done with my lashes. Now I'm just gonna do my base, blush, contour, bronzer, all of those things. So I'll be right back. Sige me. Hi guys, so I'm done with my makeup look. Kausap ko si Lola. Sige me. Hello everyone. So I'm done with the look and this is the outfit. Just wearing this leather jacket, this tank top na black, then pants, then my clogs. I actually don't know saan kami pupunta. Saan ba? Pupunta kami sa Burnham Court. And din naman ako dadali nila mama today. Because they also used to go there. Hey guys, nandito na kami. We're gonna go na sa Burnham Park. So, ito yung itsura ng Up North Residences. 5th floor kami. So, dito sa 5th floor, located yung Grace Haven, which is yung Airbnb na pinag-stayan namin. Ito namin yun. So, sasakay na ulit kami ng taxi papunta sa Burnham. So, mag-picture lang saglit sila. And ito si Tito. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Burnham and kakain na kami. We have shawarma, bibingka, puto-bumbong, okoy, and empanada. Kain tayo. Ubos. Tisay? Was it good? Kakapasok pa lang namin si Mama, magmamangga na agad.
Ano nilagay?
Ang ganda. Yan, nandito na kami. Galakad-lakad kami. Ano yan?
Mangga.
Na may bagoong. Sobrang lamig. Ang lamig. Yan, ang daming tao. Pero hindi naman super crowded. Ayun no, puro tolls. May food. May mga, di ba iba? Ito may mga salamin, may accessories. Halo-halo rin siya.
Ayan yung massage.
Bakit?
Kasi meron dito yung bigla ka nilang imamasahe.
We?
Oh.
Hinahanap ko yung strawberry taho eh. Pero wala akong makita. Ano na ba siya dito? Hindi na siya trend? Fish mozzarella. Patry natin.
Sige mo si Tisay pancake yun.
Hi guys, so nag-picture-picture lang kami. May naglalakad kami. Dito pa rin kami sa Burnham Park. Burnham?
Burnham.
Farm? Umorder ako dun kanina ng avocado shake and nung mozzarella na fish pancake. Sarap, to fairness. Ito masarap din. Mas maraming mga stalls ng food. May mga food trucks din.
Enjoy ang
And may mga giveaways. Souvenir. Mga souvenir, mga pasalubong. So, nandito kami sa Burnham pa din, pero sa gilid na to, may nakita kami photo booth. Ito. Photo booth place siya. Dito kayo mag-photo booth. Ito yung pinili namin, yung Baguio. Hello everyone! So, nandito na kami sa Session Road and inaantay lang namin magbukas yung night market ng 9 p.m. So, right now, dito muna kami sa coffee shop sa Cinnamon Bake Shop, tapat ng Yellow Cab. So, meron sila dito mga pastries, bread, and bumili na rin kami. So, ito yung mga binili namin. May coffee bun, ensaymada, cheese, something, coffee, ube, ensaymada. Para meron kaming mga tinapay sa Airbnb. Right now, we're just waiting for our order and I'll update you guys later. Ayan, so pinatay na nila dito yung lights. But this is what it looks like. Super cozy, super ganda. So, umorder kami ng kay Papa is iced Americano, then sa amin mama, hot chocolate. So, it's currently 9:32 p.m. and night pala kami pupunta ng night market. Hi guys, so lalakad lang kami pa night market. Ayan. I'll try to get some clips lang. Ayan yung night market. Ayan. Kasi medyo matao. So yeah, see you guys later.
May ubi o may strawberry ka ho. Siguro bumaba mo na ako. Magkano po strawberry? 50 po.
Wala kami strawberry lang. Strawberry.
May ubi o may strawberry ka ho.
So, dito kami sa night market. Sobrang daming tao. So, papatumitingin. I'm enjoying my strawberry taco. Hey guys, so nandito na kami sa tapat ng condo. And papaihiin and poop lang muna si Tisay saglit. Tapos, akit na rin kami. So medyo nakakapagod. So exhausted. Papa, ba't gano'n siya maglakad? Tisay, come here. Guys, we have arrived here sa B&B. Ay, Airbnb. Nalulutong na ako. I'm so exhausted. Although it was really fun. I really enjoyed this day again. Of course, with the fam bam. So yeah, I really enjoyed today's ganap. Yung mga pictures namin dun sa photo booth. So, maya-maya, we're just gonna change and clean. Tapos, mag-dinner na kami. Yung mga binili namin kanina. I'm excited for my mommy. And bumili kami ng mga chicharon bulaklak. Bumili ako kanina ng mga keychains na ibibigay ko sa mga friends ko. And then, bumili sila mama slippers, ganun. Mga random things sa night market. I really enjoyed the strawberry taho. So, magubura lang ako ng makeup and then I'm gonna change into my pajama. Kasi sobrang sakit ng kasukasuan ko. It's not that cold today. Siguro it feels like 17, 16 degrees. And then, we're just gonna eat and enjoy our time here. And then tomorrow will be our last whole day here in Baguio. And yes, nag-extend kami ng isang araw. And ang uwi namin is on Tuesday around, I don't know. I don't even know. Hindi pa kami nakapag-book. But yeah, maaga naman kami uuwi nun. Siguro mga tanghali, ganun. And then, back to school na naman ako. Starting on Thursday. And yeah, that's it for today. And I hope you enjoyed these clips from today's shenanigans. So yeah, good night everyone. I'll just enjoy this night with the family and I'm just gonna rest kasi sobrang pagod talaga. So yeah, thank you guys.